Hello friends, welcome to Exams Card YouTube channel. So without any delay, let us discuss the top 10 current affairs of 21st September 2021. The first current affairs of today is India ranked 46th in Global Innovation Index 2021. Global Innovation Index report is issued by World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO ranked India at 46th position. India has jumped two places from last year ranks and Switzerland got the first rank. The headquarters of WIPO is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was established in the year 1967. And the current members of WPIO are 193 members are there in WPIPO organization. The second current affairs is 20 to 26 September, International Week of Deaf 2021. We observed 20 to 26 September, International Week of Deaf 2021. Every year, the entire week ending on the last Sunday of September is observed as the International Week of the Deaf. In 2021, the International Week of the Deaf is being celebrated from 20 to 26 September. The theme of IWD is celebrating thriving deaf communities. World Federation of the Deaf founded in the year 23 September 1951, Rome, Italy. The next current affairs is India's King Ritvik becomes 70th Grandmaster. R. Raja Ritvik of India became the Grandmaster of the chess after crossing the ELO rating 2500. He is only 17-year-old Grandmaster. In this way, he becomes the 70th Grandmaster of the country. Ritvik belongs to Warangal, Telangana, and his coach name is NVS Ramaraju. He is Ritvik. Okay. Next current affairs is on 21st September we observed International Day of Peace every year. Okay. The theme of 2021 International Day of Peace is recovering better for equitable and sustainable world. The headquarters of United Nations is in New York, USA. This is most important fact, and it was established in the year 1945. Many times it is asked in the examination the establishment year of United Nations. You have to remember the date 24 October 1945, and the current Secretary General of United Nations is Mr. Antonio Guterres. The next current affairs is India's first indigenous cruiser liner launched by IRCTC. IRCTC full form is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. IRCTC has partnered with Cordial Cruiser Waterways Leisure Tourism Private Limited, operated by Waterways Leisure Tourism Private Limited, to promote and mark the first indigenous luxury cruise in India. Offering luxury travel in the form of Swadeshi cruise will take guests to some of the most popular Indian and international tourist destinations like Goa, Diu, Kochi, Lakshadweep, and Sri Lanka. Okay. The next current affairs is CBSE and ISRO launch Space Challenge for school students. ITI Ayog Atal Innovation Mission in collaboration with ISRO and CBSE has launched a space challenge for school students across India. This challenge is designed for all the school students, mentors, and teachers across the country. The objective of this challenge is to enable innovation in the space sector among young school students to create something that will not only help them learn about space but also create something that the space program itself can use. So it is a very good initiative by ISRO and CBSE. The next current affair is Odia literature social activist journalist Manorama Mahapatra passed away. Okay, she was the former editor of Odia Daily, The Samaja. She won several prizes like Sahitya Akademi Award in 1984, the Soviet Nehru Award in 1988, and several others. You can look in this slide. Okay, she passed away. Harmila Kaur Bains created a new record in 1500-meter race at the national level. Who is she? She is Harmila Kaur Bains. Okay. Punjab Harmila Kaur Bands of Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Hanamkonda, Telangana, 60th National Open Athletics Championship in the women's 1500 race. She completed the 1500-meter race in just 4 minutes, 5 seconds and 39 milliseconds. She created a new record. Okay. The next current affairs is Pankaj Tripathi appointed as the brand ambassador of Fino Payment Bank. Okay. Who is Pankaj Tripathi? He is Pankaj Tripathi. He is very well known in the Bollywood. Okay. He play a very vital role in different movies of Bollywoods. Okay. The chairman of Fino Payment Bank is Professor Mahendra Kumar Chauhan, and Fino Payment Bank established in the year 2006. Rishi Gupta is the MD and CEO of the Fino Payment Bank right now, and the headquarters of Fino Payment Bank is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, these are the additional facts you should know. So the next current affairs and the last one is World Bank closes its ease of doing business report. Every year, World Bank announces the ease of doing business report, but right now it is closed. The World Bank has decided to stop publishing ease of doing ranking of the country business environment after reviewing the data discrepancies in 2018 and 2020 reports. Okay, you should know the headquarters of World Bank is in Washington DC, United States, and the formation year of World Bank is 1944. 1944 is the formation year of World Bank, and the formation year of United Nations is 1945. Okay, you should remember both the years. They are really very important years. And the World Bank current president is David Malpass. So these are the current affairs of today's 21st September. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like the video and share with your friend also. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, so that's it for right now. We will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye, take care, bye bye.